Hello guys, today I am going to give my opinion about Forex Flex Expert Advisor. It is one of the most famous expert advisor in the market and it's working for a very long time. You can see the my Forex my FX book results, Flex EA, EMA Gap V3, and Forex Flex has different kinds of set files. They have different set files. Okay, so all these are verified accounts. You can just click and research. Okay, the drawdown was 25% monthly, 24%, all these things you can check it. And 2022 is these are the 2022 verified robot, so you can check this daily. 0.43% monthly, 13%. Okay, and you will get for Flex 1 MT4 account $349, and on discount regular price was $1,059. And if you take two MT4 and MT5 both, and you will get FTMO. FTMO account is not available for this one, but FTMO prop from EA is available for this one, and you can get it for $500. Now you can read all these things. 100% automated, free updates, and it has its own forum. That means a lot of people talks about this expert advisor. They provide different kinds of set files, and you can trade on these pairs, but I like only Euro USD. And you will get a lot of optimized sets. I have this, you can check it. This is a lot of optimized sets. I use this one, and you will get a community. Their support is awesome. They're in the market for past 10 years. Flexibility, verified results. You will get the money management, the news filter. I can show you that. See, the news check is all right, and no more events. If there is any news, you will get the news here. Equity trailing, take profit, drawdown, stop loss, session filters to avoid Asian session or any session. And you will get a lot of indicators like EMA crosses, TDI, support and resistance, Bollinger Band, ADR, stochastic, RSI. I like the RSI. Candle sizes, momentum, and all these indicators are here. So it is like all in one. So you can backtest and forward test both in different kind of settings, because there are a lot of possible options. So you can make it profitable if you don't get profits. So this is all in one tool. Okay, indicator closers. If you want to close trades based on EMA cross or RSI reaches certain level, you can do it. Time filters, hedging. You can do it hedging. Hide from broker. Don't want your broker knowing how you trade. Use this feature. Currency filters, much more. You will get all these things. And let me show you, they have their own review section. That means the third party Forex Flex EA reviews, you will get it here. I trust Forex Peace Army, and you can read the reviews here. Excellent EA, first helpful response, assistant from developer. Agro is solid. Agro is another EA built by this Forex Flex, or another set. I think I don't have much knowledge about Agro. So you'll get all these true reviews here. Okay, you can check it. You'll get from 2020 2019 and 2022, all in all years you will get one or two reviews. Most of them are 5 star, 4 stars, and some of them are 3 stars. And if you want, you can read. Now let me show my results. So I backtested every tick, and you can see what happened. Okay, it opened. As you can see, my data quality is 90%, and my balance was $100. Total profit was $105. Drawdown was 4% or 6%. You can say 6%. Okay, so the lot was 0.01. Now I have made Excel file to get a good overview of that. If your investment was $100, then there will be maximum 3 trades. First trade was 0.01, 0.03, and then 0.08. That's it. So you can check it here. Max buy or sells 3 out of 3. Now these trades are not from Forex. These trades are from another expert advisor, so don't be confused here. Forex did not start any position now, and this is my demo account. You can see I just test here. Now see, Euro USD 2019, the profit was 105%, drawdown was 4%. If you invest $100, then your profit, you can see very high profit, right? But the high drawdown 26%, 27%. If you use $1,000 your investment 2019, 20, 21, so you can see the gain was 30%, 40%, 40%, and the drawdown was 1%, 15%, 8%. So you can understand that the more you take risk, and for $1,000 you can see that the initial lot was 0.03, 0.08, and 0.20. So you can get an overview. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you can check it here, and if you need this expert advisor, you can ask me. I'll give you 100% free. You see it's working. You can check. Everything is same, and the results are also same and satisfying. You can take it, and you have to use only this preset. If you want, you can test the other presets also, but I backtested this preset only. You can use this preset, or you can make your own preset. There is a lot of things you can investigate here. You can give your time, and you get a good preset, and you earn money from Forex, because Forex is not only one strategy. It is like a home for so many strategies. So whatever your strategy is, you can make that into automation. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon.